So a polynomial function has a 0 of 2 with a multiplicity of 1, negative 2, multiplicity of 2, and 1 with a multiplicity of 1. Write a function in factored form that could represent this function. So remember that if you are given the zeros and you need the function, you have to work backwards. So we know that x will equal 2, x will equal negative 2, with a multiplicity of 2, let's not forget that, and then x will equal 1. So we need to get each of these equal to 0. So for this first one, I will subtract 2 from both sides. I will get x minus 2 is equal to 0. For the next one, I will add 2. So I will get x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then subtract 1, you will get x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you take the factors and multiply them all together. This is where the multiplicity comes in. So I can have x minus 2, it's a multiplicity of 1, so it only happens once. X plus 2, the multiplicity of 2, so it happens twice, that's where the squared comes from. And then x minus 1. This is my function in factored form.